Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Singh Academy. This is Jaskira Singh here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this problem. Only meeting organizer can make changes in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, why you facing this kind of problem that only meeting organizer can make changes? This is happening because you have opened up different Microsoft IDs through your Microsoft Teams application, and you have tried to change the meeting options from the previous ID. And in your browser, if you remember that first time when you try to change your meeting options, you will get this sign in options, and you have signed in into that account. And in the next time when you sign in through the different Microsoft ID and password, and you again try to change the meeting option, then you will get this kind of error. So I will show you that how you can solve this problem. So let me open up this meeting here. So just click on see more to change the meeting options from our Android mobile app here. So when I click on this meeting options, so as you can see, this option, this error message appear here that only meeting organizer can make changes. So in order to solve this problem, you have to clear all the memory of your browser. So I'm opening up this in my default browser. So I will clear all the memory in my default browser. So if you are opening up this meeting options in different browsers, so go ahead and clear that browser's memory. So I'm using Redmi 5 Note Pro here. So maybe application managing it is different for your phone. So click on search settings. So we will open up this app here, apps, and from apps just click on search, and from apps I'm opening up this default browser here. So I'm just sorting it by name. So here it is, browser. So here what I'm going to do is to clear all the memory here. So just click on clear data. I'm clearing all the data here, clear all data. And after clearing all the data, again you have to come here to the meeting options. So let me first copy this email ID here. So just let me copy, and so just copy. So because we have to input again this email ID into our this browser window here, it will ask us to input the ID and password for Microsoft Teams. So I'm selecting meeting options. So it will open up in my default browser. So as you can see, it is starting from the starting window appear here because I have cleared all the memory here. So guys, here you can see here it will prompt me to enter my user ID for Microsoft Teams. So here input your email ID for Microsoft Teams. So I'm using a demo account, so that is why I'm just copying and pasting the demo ID and password. So after writing in the ID, and just click on the password. So I'm writing the password here. So after inputting the password, click on sign in, and it will ask you to never know, so you can say yes if you want. So here you can see your meeting options appear here. Now whenever you schedule a meeting, you can make the changes in the meeting options. So people in my organization, everyone who can present, only me, and click on save. So this applies to only to this demo student 1 ID. So let me go ahead and schedule a meeting for demonstration. So I'm scheduling a demo meeting, and I'm sharing it to a channel here, digital image processing here, and I'm not changing the date and time. So just click on this OK button here. So this meeting is scheduled, and I'm trying to change the meeting options. So click on see more and click on meeting options. So it will directly open up the meeting options for that particular meeting. So guys, this is how you can solve your problem. Only organizer can make the meeting option changes. So thanks a lot, and if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, and thanks a lot for watching this video.